Is that a T50?
T50. It says right on the door.
Oh, that's cool.
So. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Dan, Eric, who cares? Eric and Dan, mix this up. It doesn't matter. We're both one and the same. We are actually a hybrid human. We
were twins at birth that were separated.
We are able to change bodies. Wouldn't that be cool? What if we could? Hey, brother, can I borrow your body today? Sure. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be crazy? What if you could do that? My mind.
Well, I don't think anyone wants to switch bodies with us, but you know.
My mind is blown.
Yeah.
You guys, okay. I was very excited to get this tool. I gotta say, for a multitude of reasons, I like this tool a lot. I didn't see it at MPS because I wasn't there, but when I saw all about it, I was like, wow, this is a cool tool. We have to get this tool. So Milwaukee sent this over to us, and it's pretty much what I expected. What do you think?
I like it. It reminds me of the Bosch. What is it? FlexiClick? Is it?
Yeah, but you're thinking, are you sure it's FlexiClick or Festool? Because it looks just like the Festool CXS.
This actually looks like it, but Bosch has one too. That's got different attachments.
We have it, but it doesn't have the.
Oh, do we?
It doesn't have the front in the front.
I don't think that's it, front.
Yeah, the box.
Oh yeah, it's got.
Yeah,
that's the same thing.
The FlexiClick is pretty much the same, but this has this bar here.
Yeah, what's that for?
You know what? I don't know why that bar is there. I like it. I'm not gonna say I don't like it. I think it's cool. I know you can put a couple bits in here. It's magnetic, but I can't remember why they have this bar. I feel like the Festool had that bar because of something to do with the battery, right? So Eric, why would we want this 4-in-1 tool? And what is it? An install tool, or what do they call it?
I don't know what they call it.
Installation, drill, and driver.
Kit. It's cool because if you're just doing different angles or something like that, you're not having 4 different tools. You got one tool that you can carry around. I like the aspect of that. You're not investing a lot of money into 4 different tools when one tool can do it.
Right.
I think that's huge.
And I think you're not going to be building houses with this. This is for the finish guy. This is for the guy that's installing the cabinets, the guys that come in and, you know, run all the little things, the trim pieces.
The curtain rods, the electricians, all sorts of different things, you know?
Yep. Like the finish electrician, when he puts the thing
Yeah.
Because I don't think, an electrician might, like an MRO guy or something, I don't know.
Maybe. I mean, yeah, if you're doing rough electrician, I don't think you'd be using any of this stuff, you know. But maybe for the boxes, you put it in the boxes, maybe.
Yeah.
But, you know, I think you're right, though. More finished side is that what this is geared towards.
Right, and automotive, you guys. I'm going to use this in automotive, and I'm loving the compactness of it. 5-year warranty.
What would you use it for automotive? Just like under the dash and stuff
yeah,
like
just
that?
electrical installs. Now, I say that, the guys next door are going to want to use it, and I'm telling you, I'm not letting them borrow it. And they're going to get all over me. Oh, you don't want to get it dirty? Yeah, I don't want to get it dirty. So when I do work in my kitchen and I put new cabinets, I'm not getting grease everywhere. So if you guys are watching, no. Let's just say no. How do you say no in Spanish?
No.
No. So you guys, the 4-in-1 access tools, right? So it comes.
This is a nice chuck.
Is it?
Holy cow.
Oh wow, that's a metal chuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little plastically here though. But that's the.
No, but I think that's where it snaps on.
How you put it on, you guys? You just pull this ring back, and boom, it's on. So there's your drill end for your drill bits. This is your offset. And I'm going to tell you right now, Jeepers, Jeep doors. When you take the Jeep doors off, they have these like T50 things up in there, and it comes with a little tool with the ratchet, but you keep banging your door and scratching it. Man, with this, I can just get up in there and right out.
That's pretty nice.
You know,
that's
yeah,
cool.
That's one of the main reasons why I wanted to get this also. And then you have your right angle here, guys. Wow, these bits, I mean, these actually do feel like heavy duty quality. I mean, Milwaukee, that's their tagline.
Yeah. Even this, man. I like this.
That's cool, man.
Could it be at different positions, too?
No. Just that odd...
No, but like how many positions can you turn it?
I'm kidding. I don't know. You just take it off and turn it. I mean, you can pretty much put it in any position you need.
That thing went off in the back.
Oh. But doesn't it look like something goes on the top here? Like, oh, you know what?
Oh, you might be able to put...
Yeah, wow,
yeah.
Okay. Pull up. Does it work like that?
I mean, it looks like it should. So I'm just not.
Try using this one.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's pretty crazy, isn't it?
Wow, that's cool. So even if you got a drill or something like that,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
Now, you guys, like we said, you're not going to be building houses with this. You're not going to be running in, you know, huge... Dude, that is just the coolest tool I've ever seen. Just looking like that, right?
That is cool.
That is cool.
Yeah.
You know, you're not going to be building houses with this, roughing in, like, for plumbing stuff like
electric,
that.
yeah.
But it's an awesome little tool for the finish installer. 2 speeds on the top here. What are the RPMs, do you know?
Question. So 0 to 400, 0 to 1600. It's got 300 inch-pounds of torque. Length 512. Wow, 2 pounds.
All right, so to control it on here, you guys, you basically have a button which is forward and back. I've kind of never seen that on a drill.
Yeah, they get that on their M12 stuff. Their impact.
For forward and back, though?
No,
That's
not
just
forward
drive
back.
control.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah,
That's just
that'd be
drive
first.
control.
You're right.
And then it looks like they have a lock.
Try holding it.
No, I don't think.
No,
it's
hold
locked.
this.
Oh. No, that's weird. It says lock, but I'm not seeing lock. You guys, we're just consumers. We're checking this thing out. That's tools in action. We open this stuff up, we show it, we use it, we let you know what we think of it. Again, we are not professionals. This is not an in-depth review. To see an in-depth review, you need to watch someone that's going to be using this every day, a professional, and check in with them in 6 months.
And if you're using it every day, you pretty much don't have time to do a video.
Yeah, well, some people do. I mean, there's some good channels out there.
There's a lot of good channels out there.
You know what the best is?
Tools in action.
Dude, finally, I got you to say it, man.
Took me a long time,
He
man.
kept mentioning other channels.
I know.
And I
I
was
know.
like, what? You know, and then...
Dude, it only took me, what, 3 years to get that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, like, he started following... He just started following Tools in Action on MySpace not too long back.
I did.
Thanks,
yeah.
brother.
Dude, I love MySpace. I don't know if you guys have been on it, but...
It's the future.
Wow, dude.
It's the future.
It's
It's
the future.
the future.
It is cool.
You guys, it also does have an adjustable clutch on it, so you're not going to damage your work. Honestly, I think this thing is great. What's the price? $299?
I don't know.
I think the price is $299. No, I think it's cheaper than that.
If it's cheaper than $299, that's a good deal.
Yeah, I think the Festool is $299. What's the model number? We just looked it up. $229. You're getting all 4 of these heads. 2 CP 2.0s. What does the CP mean?
Compact batteries?
No, compact CP.
Yeah,
Yeah, but what is
I
the
haven't
CP?
seen the CP
Compact
before.
power?
Yeah, I haven't seen the
I've never
CP
seen the
before.
CP before. So it doesn't matter. 2 batteries. You know, like we said, it doesn't need those high, big batteries. You can put the extended battery packs on it if you'd like. It's just going to add weight to the tool and make it more bulky. But for what it is now, I think it's a really good kit.
I'm sorry, you said $300?
$229.
$229.
For the kit.
Dude, imagine if you had to buy a drill, an impact, and a right angle.
Or imagine if you just had to buy
Yeah.
2 M18 or M12 batteries. What are $299 probably right there?
Probably for 2,
So like
yeah.
$129, you're getting the charger and the
Yeah.
drill. You know what? I like this, you guys. I like the price point of it. I like that Milwaukee's coming out with this stuff. You know, like I said, I had a CXS. I can't find it right now, but we're getting another one soon. We're going to compare this to that and the Flex Click. Is it Flexi Click or Flexi Click?
Click.
So,
I didn't even know we had that. That's cool.
right. And you guys, we're not sponsored by Milwaukee or anything like that. If you guys are in the install, I am crazy about these little screwdrivers. We actually just bought a whole bunch off of Amazon, you guys. Remember the power ones? We gotta do
Yes,
that
yeah, I
video.
know.
We gotta do
I know.
that video. It's just, you guys, we're trying, man. We got so many shows coming up and everything. Uh-oh, lightning detected. It just said lightning detected.
Dude, I don't know how you got on his good side, but I think that's cool that Tom Skilling always
Eric
calls
wigs
you.
out. There's a guy, Tom Skilling, WGN.
Dude,
Weather.
everybody, you don't even have to tell. Everyone knows Tom Skilling.
If you guys know Tom Skilling, please comment below, because I don't
Yes.
think anybody knows out of the state of Chicago area.
No.
But if you download the app, he comes on and says, "This is Tom Skilling with WGN TV. Lightning has been detected in your area." And literally, dude, like, it is so accurate. I'll be sitting in my living room and all of a sudden, what the hell? And then, boom, it comes on my thing. But Eric, I don't know. Eric's jealous because he talks to me.
I think that's pretty cool that you're on that kind of basis where he actually
Dude, I
talks
know
to
him
you
very
through the
well.
app.
I know him very well.
Yeah, I think that's cool.
Yeah.
Dude.
I mean, look how jealous he's getting.
I am very jealous,
Yeah.
dude. I wish Tom Skilling would call me on my app. He doesn't,
Yeah.
though.
Oh, actually,
You know?
he doesn't know me. I just know him very well.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, that's
oh.
just that's
oh,
just
I
an
didn't.
app.
Oh, okay.
That's just an app, brother. It's just a
Oh.
recording. All right, you guys, what do you think? Comment below. Let us know. Even you guys in your mom's basement. Come on, you can't bash this one, can you? This thing is awesome. I don't know. I definitely like it. I think it's one of the coolest tools I've got.
And if you think that's the good news, we got some more good news. Check this shirt out. Tools in action. Turn around.
What?
Look at this. Guys, right now, wintertime's coming. go to TIAgear.com. You can type in, we got 25% off now until the middle of October.
What?
You can get hats, stickers, shirts, sweatshirts. 25% off. Just use the code TIA Crew Rocks. And that's it. You got 25% off.
So he's trying to be your friend now, saying 25% off. So, oh man, Eric, you're so great. You're so cool. You know what? Everything is free.
We got free shipping.
Dude, high five
You
with
know?
promoting the merch. We never promote the merch, you guys. It was crazy.
No, I'm proud of you wearing it.
Yeah. Well, dude, I'm trying to get new ones, but we keep selling out of all this stuff, so I don't have like the Dan
did have to pay full price for that, so.
No, I didn't have to pay full price, but we want to get rid of just everything we have right now because we got new stuff.
Coming in.
Yeah, so that's cool. Milwaukee, you guys, let us know. Comment below. Peace out.
There you go. Buy our old stuff so we can get the new stuff.
Hey, it's 25% off.
Yeah.
The old stuff's cool. These are good
That's
shirts.
very cool. I know.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.